Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're just going to do a quick update here for Jasmy. So we do see Jasmy is up at 5% for the day. Trading volume right here is at 19%. So we are going to be seeing a push recovery or a growing interest here in terms of Jasmy. The price itself is at 0.02542. So heading over to the daily time frame here. Now this essentially here shows us a possible recovery. Yesterday's video, we were talking about a possible piercing bottom where the body itself has to come up around 50% of the previous candle, which we do have. Now, it is going to rely on this candlestick if we're able to have a bullish close of the previous candlestick itself. Then essentially the price may come up and retest this area of resistance at 0.026. Why this is important here is because when we take a look on the weekly time frame, we may have a hammer candlestick at the very bottom here. Now, typically hammer candlesticks, the body itself needs to be very small at the top, and the wick needs to be twice the size of the body. Now, we're only fitting one of those characteristics where the wick is twice the size of the body. And if we quickly take a look back on the daily time frame, if the buyers is able to push the price closer to the resistance level, what's going to happen on the weekly characteristic of our candlestick is that it's going to shrink this body even further. So it's going to show us the convictions of the buyers itself in the surge of this area of resistance. And that's going to be very important because if we're able to observe a hammer candlestick, especially closer to an area of a downtrend, it is going to be eyes looking at the next week's candlestick close. If we're able to close above this hammer candlestick itself, then most likely we're going to see a really nice recovery here for Jasmy. But essentially it is going to come down to the next couple of days here if Jasmy is able to close and be able to close above this area of resistance, roughly around 0.026, and then kind of aiming up towards the 20 moving average. Now, if we don't see that happen in the next couple of days or so, then we may see possibly a rejection from the resistance line, and then possibly coming down to this area of support that we saw in the last couple of days here of 0.022. But kind of let me know what you guys think down below here. Jasmy's momentum is slowly improving. But again, that confirmation of a daily close above this area of resistance is going to be key in this recovery for Jasmy. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.